Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to react to episode number 3 of Chainsaw Man. Pretty much on the last episode, we got to see Denji's new partner, aka Power, which by the way, she's also exactly like him, half devil, half human. It's going to be interesting how the pair works together, just because I feel she's a little bit more on the wild side than he is, so I feel like he's gonna end up looking after her, but she's also gonna end up, I don't know, I don't know. The episode ended with Power pretty much defeating a devil that was on the street, and then just kind of just following after her. So I feel like they're gonna be a very interesting duo to kind of keep an eye on. So I'm just excited to kind of see how they work together. But we have episode 3 here, so we're gonna go ahead and sit back, relax, and let's get started on this reaction video. So this is the part where we left off on the last episode when Power just went crazy. Like I said, this girl is already crazy as it is, and like I said, Denji's probably gonna end up looking after her and kind of covering for her and all the shenanigans she gets into. Ooh. See, this duo, I don't know how well it's gonna work out, their partnership. Yo, why are we still watching this frame right now? I like her eyes. She reminds me of a little kid. I think they have to build off of each other, though. They have to get to know each other a little bit more to understand each other. Is that right? She reminds me of somebody. Meowie. Is she like a whole part of this in order to get her cat back? Yep, that answers my question. You know, I know a cat owner, and she would pretty much do the exact same thing that Power is. Like, she would go through the ends of the earth to go get her cats, you know? Like, yo, and that's me. Oh, shit, dude. Like, literally, same thing. I love my dogs. I would do anything for my pets. What? That's an ultimatum. I cannot let go. You are down bad. Did you guys see the change in expression for him? Her expression. Okay, now this is gonna be even funnier. The fact that I bet you Power probably didn't even think that he was gonna like act like that because of her reaction to how he was right now. How come? That man is focused on his goals, man. I wonder if Pochita is ever going to be able to come back as a pet, though. You know, then he's like, no, he's literally inside me right now. Denji. Power. Oh, Denji. The fact that they're referring to him as dogs too is degrading AF, bro. My God, why are you jealous? If you're jealous, just say so. Chainsaw, hence Chainsaw Man name. So the name itself is already scary enough to imply some fear into people. Now that's gonna get me thinking. So if we get to see other devils, I want to see what their name is and see if it really corresponds, like the name, with how strong those devils might be. That was rather easy. He's just like, let's just get this over with so I can get what I want. Why do I feel like there's gonna be an ambush though? Is she gonna try and kill Denji? Motherfucker, what? Yo, didn't I say, I'm like, why does it feel like this is gonna be an ambush right now? I didn't expect it to be from Power herself though. Nah, bro, I actually like Power. Ain't no way this is happening right now. A bat devil? That's a buff bat too. Man, just turn into Chainsaw Man. Yo, just pull that string, just rip that off, pull out them chainsaws, boy, cut that head off, call it a day, and then go whoop Power's ass. Ain't no way we're gonna let her slide by with this. That is one ugly bat. Nah, dude, fuck Power, dude. After that, that's crazy. She's selfish. If I was Denji, I'm like, you know what? Fuck you, Power. Let's run it right now, cause nah, I ain't having this. Here we go. Nah, dude, he's gonna have eaten it. You see, that was a fluke. Oh, it's there. The cat's actually there. Oh, the disrespect. Power betrayed Denji, and now this bad devil is betraying their agreement by eating Meowie in front of her. That's even more disrespectful. The fact that she thought that this devil was actually gonna give the cat back to her just like that. Yo, this show is crazy. It looks like they had a really good bond though. So this is sad though. The fact that the cat is dead now implies that she maybe has nothing to look forward to, nothing to live for anymore. That's crazy. Is she gonna go like berserk too? Maybe we're gonna see her devil power, like full on devil power. Then she's like, yo. Yeah, I bet. Yo! This bat literally just swallowed her like an anaconda. What is going on right now? Yo, this is foul, low-key though. This is kind of funny, but foul. Give me back my boobs. Rip it. Rip that shit. I miss Pochita. I miss seeing him, you know. He understands the relationship that Power had with the cat though. Because that's the same thing he had with Pochita. Here we go. Here we go, baby. Now, you see, he should have just done this from the very beginning. If Power wouldn't have betrayed him and set him up like this, he could have just done that and then saved the cat. Honestly, it would have been that easy. I was about to say, I'm like, yo, ain't no way that this bat is actually giving Denji the hands. Bro, can you imagine how heavy his head must feel though? Do it. Yo, he's strong. Yo, at this, come on, bro. Like, you literally just have to chop off his head. This guy said, fuck this guy's life. I don't care. That is disgusting. God damn! It's like kind of like an air cannon in a way. Yo, he looks badass. Y'all see that wind just blowing up his shirt up? Like, this guy is far from a superhero, but this is actually like it's in tune with what I'm trying to say. There you go. That's what's motivating him. Let's do it, Denji. Let's do it, Chainsaw Man. Start slicing them up. Yes! Yes, bro! Slice up that belly, get Power out, and hopefully get the cat out. I don't know. It's kind of not looking too hot for the cat. Brother, the quality in these episodes is too good. It's movie quality, in my opinion. Very good visuals, very good graphics. The coloring is so good too. I love the color. First of all, fuck Power. The fact that she did it this way is kind of messed up, because I understand why she brought Denji here in order to get her cat back, because the cat is something that really meant a lot to her. But she could have let Denji in on the plan, like, yo, this devil has my cat. I really want you to help me, which is essentially what she did, but she betrayed him, set him up, and this is where we're at. So in my opinion, I feel like she could have been smarter about it. She could have told Denji, like, yo, he wants human blood, can you just pretend, and then slice him up after that, and we can get my cat back. Like, that's it. That would have been the plan, and she would have gotten her cat. He would have been able to touch some boobs. Everybody would have been happy. Kind of sucks that we're in a cliffhanger, because now we're gonna have to wait and see if Power is actually alive. But most importantly, we're gonna have to wait and see if the cat is alive. That's the #1 priority for the next episode. But this is gonna leave out for today's episode, guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'm gonna leave all my socials down below, and I'll see you guys in for the next reaction video. Peace.